Wenneker, and I want to quickly show you a gigantic kitchen that we are doing in a 12,000 square foot house. And what we're doing is, as you can see, first of all, there's dust all over because they're breaking up the floor, but I wanted to show you this right now. This kitchen had all these strange angles. There were cabinets jutting out. Look at this thing positioned oddly. So what we're doing is we are squaring off the whole kitchen, new kitchen. It's going to be beautiful. There's going to be a big center island over here. There's going to be a station over here for a coffee station. And then if you come around this way, we have actually created an opening from the kitchen into the dining room, which should have been here way at the beginning. So it's roughed in right now. There's going to be a wine bar this way. There's going to be a baking station, double fridge. It's going to be fantastic. So it's a little bit of a mess right now, but I'm telling you, in a few weeks, it's going to be gorgeous. So keep on watching. See you soon.